You might know that in this part of the world there's, in general, many people fear Islam.
Yes.
They see it as a threat to our way of life, our culture. What is your comment?
The fact is that many things in the Western world, particularly nowadays, are not being seen in the right perspective because of political involvements and the worldwide propaganda against Islam, for which, unfortunately, the initial cause of offense was given by some Muslim sovereigns like Khomeini from Iran and like Gaddafi of Libya. I don't say that they offended the world, the West, politically, but because they tried to implicate Islam in their political moves, so Islam was in fact misrepresented because of their behavior.